Hey, what's up guys? Welcome. Today we are going to cover the announcement date for the Galaxy S20 and also I have a good news coming later this video. So stick around for that. Samsung has just sent out the official invitations for the Galaxy S20 event and here it is. Now this seems simple, I know, but it has some Easter eggs which represent the upcoming Samsung flagships. This rectangular block is the representative of the camera assembly monster present on the Galaxy S20 and this other bit more squarish block is the representative of the upcoming Galaxy Fold 2 in its closed state. Samsung is going to announce both of these smartphones in the same event taking place on 11th of February, which is happening earlier than what we are used to. For example, the Galaxy S10 was announced on 20th of February, S9 was announced on 25th of February and the S8 was announced on my birthday 29th of March. So we can clearly see that they are announcing it earlier and earlier each year, so probably in 2 years we might start seeing the Galaxy S series being released in January. And yes, if we get it early, it's a bit of a happy news for all, although not really that important. So now on to the really important bit. You know Samsung uses Snapdragon processors in America and China and almost everywhere else it is exynos, which we know isn't quite as good. The problem with the latest exynos processors is the graphic power, as they use Mali GPUs which honestly aren't up to the industry standards. So Samsung has now decided that they will sell Snapdragon variant in India as well. This is according to iSeniors when he replied to a tweet wishing for a Snapdragon processor in India. So it is probably the correct information, but I still would suggest you to take it with a bit of salt, just to be on the safe side. There were reports earlier that Samsung will also use the Snapdragon processors in Europe as well, which leaves the exynos processor almost left for dead. But Samsung fans worry no more. Samsung is indeed going to bring back the exynos processors to the mainstream when the Samsung AMD partnership kicks in. So the Snapdragon variant in most markets is just a temporary small time solution until they regain their spot as the top processor maker with the new AMD partnership, which we shall see probably in 2021 with the Galaxy S21 or 30, whatever they want to call it. It's a bit of a mess right now. Let me know your thoughts on the Snapdragon processor in the Galaxy S20. I am very excited and also I'm excited because we are going to get it earlier than ever. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos coming down in the pipeline. Also follow me on Twitter from the link in the description. Hit the like button for the Galaxy S20 and as always guys, thanks for watching.